Is up, YouTube? Let me ask you a question. Do you have a YouTube channel which basically gets no traffic? Trust me, I've been there, done that. Don't have the t-shirt, but could have gotten one. But seriously, it is a big problem. You know, there's so many channels, and even my channel doesn't get that much traffic. It does get traffic. People do visit my videos. You're watching my video, but it doesn't get that much traffic. And that's why I'm so excited about this new product called Avalanche, which basically is going to give you an avalanche of completely free traffic to your YouTube channel. My review is coming right up. Stick with me. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can bono successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be stale as well. My jokes, look, they're stale. I get it. I need some new material. Gotta talk to Jerry Seinfeld about it or something. Seriously. But if you are new to the channel, go ahead. The way things work here is that I review software and products that make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Or twice in one day. You know, I just did another review and he said the same exact thing. Do you realize how annoying that guy is all the time? Yakety, yakety, yakety. You'd think he would give it up already. My goodness. Anyway. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz is a sweetheart. I mean, I love her. I can't get angry at her, even if she does say the same thing every single time also. Now, I also do... If you are new to the channel, sorry, it's been a long day. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything. You're on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. On the sales page for Avalanche. No, don't worry, there's not a real avalanche, just an avalanche of traffic, so it's okay. Anyway, but seriously. So Avalanche is this new software from my friends Tom and Vic. It's really, really interesting stuff, actually. You know, Vic has put out some software, and he kind of like recycles a lot of his old softwares. And when I first saw it, I was like, great, another one from Vic. But this is actually very different. So what it does, basically, it's two different softwares. The first one is kind of the same as what he's done in the past. Basically, what it's designed to do is to help you find YouTube videos that already have rankings, and you can use those in order to kind of piggyback off of their rankings. But what I really liked is the Buddy software. Now, what the Buddy software does basically, and I'll show you the members area in just a minute. I do want to talk about my bonuses as well. But the Buddy software, basically what it does is it drives traffic, like real traffic from other people who are actually going to be looking at your videos. And the nice thing is that because they're real people looking at your videos, that means that YouTube will notice that and start giving you more rankings. And I'll explain to you in just a moment exactly how that is supposed to work. Before I do that, let me talk to you about my bonuses. So I've got a really, really cool bonus because I've been on YouTube for a while. I like YouTube. So I'm going to give you my video about how to create videos using DaVinci Resolve. It is a completely free software. Kind of complicated to use. I'm going to give you my video explaining exactly how to use it. In addition to that, I'm also going to give you, you notice me talking to Bart and to Liz Lemon and all these other people and things like that. So I'm going to give you the secret to how I'm able to do this, exactly why it's perfectly legal to do it, even though these are copyright materials, it's 100% legal. And I'll give you the details of exactly how that works. I'm also going to show you where I get these clips from. There is a secret website that I discovered that I actually get these clips from. You know, so you're basically going to know exactly how to do this, what to do, the whole 9 yards. It's really, really interesting stuff. Very few people know about this. So this is going to be my bonus to you when you pick up Avalanche from me. That's in addition to all the usual bonuses that you get. That everybody's going to give you, that the vendor gives me. There's probably like 10 different bonuses they're going to give me from them as well. I had to take a look at the list, but there's a whole bunch of them. But everybody's going to have those. These are unique from me that you're only getting from me. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area over here. So there's actually two pieces of software. The first one is basically just going to show you rankings for YouTube videos. Not very exciting. Okay, but the second piece of software is the one that I'm really excited about. So basically, the second piece of software, what it does is like this. It's going to actually allow you to get traffic from real people. And the way it does is like this. People will basically, what they do is it's kind of like a traffic exchange, where people basically, they get quote unquote paid for looking at somebody else's video. In exchange, they get a certain number of tokens on the system that allows them to have other people look at their videos. Now, why would you care? Well, it's not that they're so much going to buy what you have to sell. They might, but the value is not so much getting them to buy what you have to sell. The value is that when real people sit there and actually look at your videos, and they're required to look for a minimum amount of time, like 2 minutes or something like that, basically when that happens, YouTube considers that to be quality traffic, and they say, oh, this must be a good video. Let's go ahead and rank it higher for other people. And so basically when you do that, it kind of snowballs on itself, and you get actual customers who might otherwise not have seen your videos are actually going to watch it and start going and visiting and basically buying whatever you do have for sale. So it's a really, really cool method to actually gain a lot of additional traffic, and something I really, really am quite fond of. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to Master Product Grader or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed, you rock. You rock. I mean, this is great. Huge tip of my hat. Okay, the first piece of software is kind of been there, done that, seen it already. But the second one, wow, that is insane that you can actually drive real human traffic, not bots, which is really cool because human traffic is going to react differently, and Google's algorithms are smart enough to be able to notice when it's just a bot visiting as opposed to real people visiting and taking a look. And you might actually get some sales off of the traffic that's coming in, but the value is really just the signal to Google that this is a quality product, a quality video that people want to see. They're going to go ahead and rank it for other people to go in and look at even more videos. So go ahead and grab this. This one's really, really worth picking up.